earning college credits with YouTube? Is it real? It actually is, and it's an easy and affordable option too. Hi, I'm Florencia from Gradehacker, the non-traditional student #1 resource. We help adult students like you get ahead with their future. And if you were looking for other ways to earn college credits, here you'll learn how you can do it with YouTube and how to apply for it. But hey, before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Join our community, you won't regret it. And now, the question that's on your mind. How could YouTube have the power to provide college credits? Well, YouTube partnered with Arizona State University and Crash Course and created Study Hall, an accessible way to earn college credits that disrupts all barriers and traditional ways to get credits. The courses follow the same program taught on campus. The difference is that here you'll have the chance to retake courses until you get the grade you want to add to your transcript. Amazing, right? Another benefit of studying in Study Hall is that you're also earning the possibility to join ASU degree program. But don't worry, you can use the credits you earn at any university that accepts them. Once you have the required number of credit hours plus a 2.75 GPA or higher, you'll be able to qualify. It all sounds great, and it gets better, because the application requirements are as easy to meet as they can be. You only need to have good internet connection and a valid ID, and that's it. You'll access all the materials you'll need. And the good news is that they accept young students too. If you're under 18, you can apply by showing your birth certificate too. As you can see, Study Hall is super simple and accessible to everyone. But what can you actually study here? Its courses are meant to prepare you for the first year of college, meaning that you'll be learning the basics that are required. The courses are divided in 4 categories: English composition, college math, US history, and human communication. Depending on the course, each has about 17 to 24 video lessons that are 10 to 12 minutes long. You can find the videos on YouTube and they are completely free. However, if you want to earn credits, you'll need to sign up for the coursework. This includes from 6 to 7 modules, and for each you'll earn 3 transferable credits. There is an enrollment fee of $25 per course and a $400 registration fee to earn the credits once you finish. You have access to the courses right after you pay. And if at any point you need personal assistance, you can contact their success coaches through email to work on your doubts. And what happens when you get the grade you wanted and finish the course? How do you receive the credits? No worries. It's a super straightforward process that you can do it in 4 steps. First, you click on the registration button of the homepage. Now, register for the credit, confirm your identity, and finally pay for the registration fee. After 14 days or less, the credits will appear in your official transcript. Take advantage of this opportunity. Or if you want to find more information about online courses, scholarships, and reviews, you can check our website. If you want more tips for your new college journey, find out if you can apply for any of the best scholarships for non-traditional students, or see which online courses have the highest acceptance rate. And of course, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what you think about this new way to earn college credit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.